Bore da, croeso I Clwb Clyd, and with eto, welcome to Clwb Clyd. Our theme down in the nursery class is Splish, Splash, Splosh. And today I'm reading you a story to do with that theme. And maybe if you listen carefully, you'll hear those words in the story. And this is the story. Big Red Bath by Julia Jarman and Adrian Reynolds. Let's see what happens in the bath. Ben and Bella in the big red bath. Splash you, splish, splosh, splash. Bubbles in the bath, water on the floor. But who is this? Scratching at the door. Hi there, kids. Can I come for a swim? Course you can, dog. Just dive in. Dog dives in, front feet first. Bubbles rise, bubbles burst. Dog, Ben and Bella in the big red bath. Splash you, splish, splosh, splash. Bubbles in the bath, water on the floor. But who is this roaring at the door? Hi there, kids. Can I have a wash? Leap in, lion. Splish and splosh. Lion leaps in and starts to scrub. Bubbles rise. Rub-a-dub-dub. Lion and dog, Ben and Bella in the bath. Splash you, splish, splosh, splash. Bubbles froth. The waters rise. Flip, flop, flap. Who is that? Ben cries. Hello, kid. Can I come for a paddle? Course you can, duck. Dibble and dabble. Duck dibble dabbles at a quacking pace. Bubbles fly all over the place. Duck, lion, dog, Ben and Bella in the bath. Splash you, splish, splosh, splash. Water overflows, bubbles mount. The bath is starting to bob about. Then turtle hurtles in. Can I have a dip? Pursued by penguin. I want to flip. Giraffe races in. Make room for me. I'm being followed. Who can it be? It's Hippopotamus. He slips on the floor. He slides under the bath, which goes sloosh through the door and down the stairs so very fast. Kangaroo wants a ride, but the bath shoots past. But Kanga's determined. She takes a bound, so the big red bath suddenly leaves the ground. It flies twice around the world, over mountains and plains, till a flock of flamingos tows it home again. Bubbles in the bath, water on the floor. Who is this coming in the door? It's Mum. Rubber-dubber giggle, rubber-dubber laugh. Let's tell Mum about our big red bath. There we go. That's the story of the big red bath. How many times did you hear the words splish, splash, splosh in that story? I hope you have fun in the bath, doing lots of bubbles and playing with your toys in the bath. Have fun. We'll see you again. Bye. Hwyl fawr.